In today's video, I'll show how you can create a end screen in Final Cut Pro for your YouTube videos. So when you go to YouTube Studio and you click on your video, under Details, if you go to end screen, you'll see that you're able to add a subscribe and a video button. And you're able to move the subscribe button around, and same thing with the video. You can change what video it is. You can make it so it's like a playlist instead of, so like if you hit element, you can add a playlist channel. So let's say I want to do a playlist. There's now a playlist over here. And then the subscribe over here. Basically, I'll show how you can create a nice end screen that you can just put at the end of each video for these elements. And over here, you can also change where they are in the video. So in Final Cut Pro, I'm gonna go over to titles. The first thing I'm gonna do is add a background. So over in generators, you can find all sorts of cool pre-made things that you can just add to the end screen. So just looking through these, you can find something that you like for the video. Okay, this is pretty cool. So this right here is 10 seconds. I'll just keep it around 5 seconds. I'll hit Command B, delete. So first thing that I'm going to do is just add a title. I'll find the basic title. Command B, delete. And I'm just going to add thanks for watching. I'll go ahead and add an outline. Move the width and change the outline to black. There we go, thanks for watching. Going back to generators, so like right here, here's a cool wood texture. So I'm gonna add this to the end. Now I'm gonna scale this down and move it to the corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually move this text further down, and I'm gonna go ahead and just crop the right side out of here, move it a little bit more to the right. I'm gonna hold down Option and move this clip up to duplicate it. So I'll go ahead and just move this over here. I'll then do the same thing, Option, and move the text, just to easily add it over here. And I'm gonna write subscribe. One more time, hold down Option and move the text. And I'm just going to use the position to move it right across to here. And then I'll type watch this next. Go ahead and bring the size of the text down. And then there we go, we have a simple end screen. So now as you go to upload the video, you're able to add the screens over the scene right here. So I'll go ahead and test this out real quick. You go over to video elements, click on add an end screen. Let's do one video, one subscribe. Okay, so it looks like you can't add the element above this box, so you just go back and you just need to essentially make these smaller. But you're able to drag this out and match it to the size of the box. You hit save, and then at the end of the video, when it hits here, this pops up. You can click on it and it'll take you to the next video. That's it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.